Appliances introduces you to the 24-inch built-in induction cooktop. The frameless design seamlessly integrates into your kitchen with its sleek modern style. The smooth ceramic glass cooktop ensures even heat distribution and extra mobility for your cookware. User-friendly touch controls ensure effortless control over your cooking zones. 4 powerful induction burners, ranging from 1,500 to 3,000 watts. Each zone features 9 power levels, catering to all cooking needs from gentle simmering to rapid boiling. The boost function will deliver 300 watts, ensuring rapid boiling and achieving higher searing temperatures quickly. Never miss a dish with the 99-minute timer, which automatically turns off the zone when the time is up. Interrupted during your cooking session? No problem. Just press the stop and go function to pause the burner and reactivate it when you return to your cooking. Safety features include automatic shutoff and an intelligent pan detection system, ensuring heating only with a suitable pan. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.